Another weekend gone. Your house is sitting there on the market. You didn't have a single showing this weekend. Man, that's a swift kick in the junk. So what do you need to do to try and move that house? At least get people to come and look at your house? You need to call VIP Realty right now. And here's why. They're the only full-service real estate broker in DFW that offers the 0% listing commission. Get this. They not only sell your house, they can save you tens of thousands of dollars. VIP Realty offers lower commissions, resulting in more negotiating power for you to get your home sold and for top dollar. If you're looking to move that house that isn't getting any action, call Shauna or Vanessa right now at VIP Realty. The number, put it in your phone, 214-295-4888. That's 214-295-4888. Or go online to VIPRealtyInfo.com. 80% of their business is referrals. That shows you how good they truly are. And they're on the cutting edge of today's real estate trends. And once again, from experience, they formed a list of great service providers like mortgage professionals, roofers, inspectors that they recommend to their clients. They take care of you even after the sale. And if you're looking to buy a home, they're a boutique realtor. From $1 million homes to a one-bedroom condo, they can help anyone. Call them up right now, 214-295-4888. Get that house you're looking for, or more importantly, get that house sold today with VIP Realty.